This is Shaban from BMI, and today I will be showing you how to use Zoho CRM's deduplication tool. If you find yourself having multiple records that have the same email or same phone number, for example, essentially duplicates, using this tool will help you clean up your Zoho CRM. So let's say you want to use the deduplication tool for duplicates in your contacts module. So I'm right here in my contacts module. This is our demo account, so we have some dummy data in here. So what you want to do is go up here, top right, click on the Actions button, and you will have the option here to do deduplicate contacts. Click on that, and now you'll be asked to select up to 3 fields that you want to identify duplicate contacts with. So how this works is, if I select only email, and then I find and merge duplicates, I will find all duplicate contacts that have the same email. But if I select email and let's say phone number, then I will only find duplicates that have the same email and phone number, not necessarily just the same email or just the same phone number. So of course I can select up to 3. So let's say I want contacts with email, phone, and account name, then I will only get contacts back that have the same email, phone, and account name. So depending on how your CRM works, you'll have to figure out how many fields you want to choose. For the purpose of this video, we'll choose only email. So when I click on email and find and merge duplicates, I will only find contacts with the same email, regardless of their phone and account name. So let's click on this button. So now the deduplication tool does 2 things. First, it finds all duplicates that have the same email, and if every other field in their CRM record are the same, so for example, if 2 contacts that have the same email also have the same phone number, account name, maybe they have the same website name as well, perhaps there's a field called job title and that is the same as well. So basically, if every other field in that record is the same, it will automatically merge, and we don't have to worry about that. So it'll merge it into one master record. However, if there are differences, so for example 2 contacts with the same email have different phone numbers, then we will be asked to resolve that conflict. And I will show you how to do that in a bit. So let's click on yes and proceed. Okay, it's telling me it'll take a few minutes. So let's refresh. You should see a pop-up in the bottom right here, just like this. So of course we found some duplicates or conflicts. So let's click on resolve now. And now we will see the screen with the email field that we searched for and how many duplicates there are here. So it's telling us, hey, for this email, we found 2 contacts with the same email, so 2 duplicates. For this email, the first one, we found 5 duplicates. So let's look at the second one for now. Just click on view. And what this view does, it shows all the contacts fields on the left here. So contact image, first name, last name, phone number. So all of the fields are displayed here. And then it tells us the master record. So these 2 duplicates right here, record 1 and record 2, they will be merged into this record 1 here. And this will be the final master record that stays in the CRM. What is being asked of us here on the right side is to select which fields are going to go into the master record, since there are differing fields here. So if you scroll down, you can see, the last name is the same, so we don't have to pick for that. The phone number is the same, so we don't have to pick for that. The layouts are different. So perhaps you can select, I want the layout to be the demo data or a standard layout. So let's just pick a demo for now. As you can see, for the website field, the first record does not have a website, but the second one does. So you can pick, hey, for the master record, I don't want the website. And you can see that the website disappears in the master record. Or you can say, I want this website instead to show up. So as you scroll down, everything that's the same gets merged into the master record. Here's another conflict, mailing street. The first record doesn't have a mailing street, but the second one does. If there was a different mailing street here, of course you can pick which mailing street you want to add. So if you don't want to add a mailing street to the master record, or if you want to pick the second one, just click this. Of course, the same for everything else. So as you go down your specific contact record or whatever module you're using the deduplication tool on, just pick and choose which field you want to go into the master record from the duplicate records. And once you're happy with what is shown in the master record, click on merge. I understand, merge now. Now the two duplicates will be merged into one record. Of course, if you have a lot of records that are duplicates, for example, this first one has 5 duplicates. If you click on view, you'll be asked to do 3 at a time. So let's pick the first 3 to merge. Click next. And of course, it's the same process. We have the 3 records here that you picked, and this would be the master record right here. So scrolling down, you can see the first name is the same, last name are the same for all the 3 records. When it comes to phone number, you can see we have differing phone numbers. So of course, you would pick which phone number you want to go into the master record. Let's say I want this 886 number. So as you can see, the master record's 886 phone number changes. Email is the same. All these fields are the same. Scroll all the way down, and everything the same for this demonstration. So click on merge. Now as you can see, the first record here shows the new phone number that we merged. This is this master record that we created earlier. But of course, we have 2 more duplicates. So now we would pick 3 or up to 3 duplicates again, and we will continue the process until there's only 1 master record left. So click on next. And again, we see that the phone number fields are different. Let's just stick with the 886. Come down, it's asking us to pick the layout. We'll just pick this. For a website, we have an empty website for the first and second, and then the third one has a website called Dropbox. So we will just pick that one. And as we continue, we get a mailing street, city, country from the third record. So then the first record, which was our master record previously, will now be merged with record 2 and 3 into a even more filled out master record. So click merge, and I understand merge now. So if you have more than 3 duplicates, let's say if you have 10 for an email, you would just have to keep merging 3 at a time until you finally get 1 master record. So as you can see, these are all the duplicates that we have. It's just a process to keep going through all the duplicates and merging and deciding what fields you want to keep, what you don't want to keep in the master record. So just click view, merge, view, and merge. So that is for the contacts record. You can also do so for the prospects. Again, just come here, actions, deduplicate prospects. You can do it also for accounts and so on. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions regarding this, or if you need any help, we at BMI are always here to help you. So feel free to reach out to us.